Oh, sorry about that. Just adjusting the camera there. Another song that I am starting to write. It's actually down there, so it's kind of just kind of a beginning. Chord progression is pretty simple. It's going to be G, D, E minor, and C. So everybody should be able to play that. There's some of the first chords that I learned, and I am the worst guitarist that I know. So, but the lyrics, like I said, I just wrote it. It's 12:37 in the morning, so I'm still kind of still tired. Let's see here. Bird on wire, we're here to inspire. Like a lion and his pride, we're here, let us stride. The true goal of man is to always lend a hand, to always help a brother out even when they doubt. Sisters and brothers, look out for each other. We'll always be here, we'll always be near. So that's basically what I have so far. No breaks really yet, nothing like that. And so I'm still figuring it out. I'm still working on it. And again, I appreciate y'all so much. Anybody who hears a song, comment, listen. If you're better than me at guitar, like most of you are, again, the chords are just capo on the second, G, and I'm doing 3-finger G. I also do 4-finger G sometimes for it. I'm still figuring it out in that case. And then D, E minor, I believe that is E minor, but it's anyways, and then the C. So just let me know what you think. And again, Jeremiah, Jim, if either one of you guys like hear this or see this video and you're like, oh, you know, that's not too bad, what about this, what about that, lyrically, pause, breaks, anything like that, just remember, I'm not great at bar chords yet. I'm still learning, but I appreciate all your help so much, and thank you again. For the rest of you, just anything, any words of advice, encouragement, I appreciate it. If you want to hear me do something a little bit harder, or if you want to hear me try to cover a couple of songs, like I said, I know most of my major chords, I know most of my minors, and then of course with Lucky Capo here, I can always kind of, you know, kind of like experiment. And so anyways, thank you again. I appreciate it.